Welcome back to our space for small home improvement ideas. Continuing our journey of finding convenience in simple things, today I'd like to share 10 more tips. Hopefully, these handy tips will help you solve everyday problems with ease. First, cleaning wooden cutting boards with salt and lemon. They often retain odors and harbor bacteria. Sprinkle coarse salt, rub vigorously with half a lemon, then rinse with clean water. The acid from the lemon kills bacteria and deodorizes, while salt deeply cleans the wood grain. Next, removing chewing gum from hair. Children's mischief often causes gum to stick. Apply peanut butter or cooking oil to the gum-stained hair, leave for a few minutes, then gently comb. The fat in the butter or oil breaks down the adhesive properties of the polymer in the chewing gum. Third, brighten gold jewelry with dish soap. Rings and necklaces become dull and tarnished over time. Soak jewelry in warm water with a few drops of dish soap, then gently scrub with a soft brush. The surfactants help separate grease and dirt without scratching the gold surface. Fourth, absorb moisture from salt in a salt shaker with rice. Salt often clumps due to humidity. Put a few grains of dry rice in your salt shaker. Rice has a high natural moisture absorbing property, keeping salt grains dry and loose. Fifth, repairing scratched wood with walnuts. Small scratches detract from a room's elegance. Rub walnut kernels directly onto the scratches repeatedly. The natural oil from the kernels fills scratches, restoring the uniform color of the wood surface. Sixth, securing cutting boards when chopping. They often slip, posing a safety hazard. Place a damp cloth or wet paper towel under the cutting board before use. The water and damp cloth create a vacuum and high friction, keeping the cutting board stable. Seventh, removing onion and garlic smell from hands. The smell lingers even after washing. Rub your hands against a stainless steel object under running water. The sulfur molecules react with the stainless steel metal and are completely neutralized. Eighth, removing a splinter with tape. Tweezers sometimes push splinters deeper. Stick strong adhesive tape to the affected area and peel it off forcefully. The adhesive force of the tape pulls the splinter out without causing deep damage to the skin. Ninth, cleaning burnt iron sole plates, burnt lint sticks, staining clothes. Sprinkle salt on paper, turn the iron to high, and move it back and forth over the salt. Salt acts as a micromechanical detergent, dislodging residue without scratching the sole plate. Finally, keep green vegetables fresher longer with paper towels. They often wilt quickly. Line the bag or container of vegetables with a dry paper towel before refrigerating. Paper towels absorb excess moisture, preventing the leaves from rotting. Ladies and gentlemen, sometimes just a paper towel or a few grains of rice are enough to solve household problems. Hopefully, these 10 tips will be small gifts to help you enjoy life more comfortably. Thank you for your attention. Wishing you a peaceful day and see you again on the next Knowledge Bridge.